Welcome back to another quiz. Today we'll be checking in to see what you know about the moon. Last time I talked about how the moon came to be, its phases, and there was my bonus birthday episode. That was pretty cool, huh? Alright, let's get started. Question number 1. How did the moon's surface get its cratery appearance? A. Volcanic activity. B. Collisions with asteroids. C. Erosion by cosmic winds, or D. Swiss cheese construction. And the answer is B. Collisions with asteroids. Gee, those things really did get flung around space, didn't they? Okay, question number 2. What are the dark flat plains on the moon called? I hope you remembered this. The answer is Lunar. Next question. Question number 3. During a waxing phase, the moon A. appears smaller. B. appears larger. C. becomes invisible. D. changes color. During the waxing phase of the moon appears larger, so the answer is B. Question number 4. True or false? The moon's rising time remains constant throughout its phases. The answer to that is false. If you recall, the time we see the moon in our sky, it can vary an average of 50 minutes each day, explaining why we see it during the day sometimes. Question number 5. What is the moon's atmosphere-like layer called? A. troposphere. B. exosphere. C. stratosphere. D. ionosphere. And the answer is B, exosphere, and it's not quite dense enough to be classed as an atmosphere. The planet Mercury, the dwarf planet Ceres, and Jupiter's moons Europa and Ganymede are all celestial bodies in the solar system with an exosphere. Question number 6. True or false? The Apollo missions took place in the 80s. So that is in fact false. The Apollo missions took place towards the end of the 1960s and into the 1970s, but has ended in the 1980s. Actually, the last Apollo mission to take place was Apollo 17 in December 1972. It was the 6th time humans landed on the moon, and it was also the last time humans went there. Since then, no human has ventured past the low Earth orbit. Speaking of people in the moon, here's the last question. Question number 7. The first people to walk on the moon were A. Lance Armstrong and Buzz Lightyear. B. Stretch Armstrong and Willie Aldrin. C. Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin. D. Neil Skywalker and Buzz Anakin. And the answer is C. Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin. Well, that's the end of our moon quiz. What did you score? Lots of people have been telling me they score a 4 or a 5 on my quizzes. So if you manage to get a few answers right, you're doing great. Look out for the next week's episode coming to wherever you watch stuff next Thursday. As always, also remember to like, share the quiz, challenge your family and friends, and definitely subscribe to my channel. There should be complete quietness.